Hi guys, grabe guys, first time ko talaga makakaon ng ganyan guys na bunmaro, ganyan kalaki guys. Nag-uwan guys, pasensya na po kayo guys, nag-uwan. First time ko gyud na makakaon ng inanakadako guys na bunmaro. Kalami man di ay guys. Nag-uwan guys, pasensya na mo guys akong background guys. Ayan guys, sobrang sarap niyan guys. Bone marrow. Sobrang laki ng bone marrow guys. Ayan, first time ko yan guys na makakaon o ginana guys. First time na ko makatilaw ginana guys. Na bone marrow. Sarap. So ayun guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.